Hey Rojo, what causes intermittent no start conditions?
There's a lot of reasons that can happen. That so can be you starter. Probably you starter. If the brush is burning out, something starts, something doesn't start. Same thing with your fuel pump. The fuel pumps, most of the fuel pumps, they're brush motors, and it can happen the same thing. Sometimes it starts, something doesn't start. Even your battery can sometimes work and sometimes doesn't work. So let's say your battery is low on amperage. When it's at night, you have the lights on. When you try to start, it doesn't start because it's low on amperage. When it's in the morning or it's sunny outside, you don't need the lights. You go and it starts right away.
Hey Ed, what causes intermittent no start conditions?
Well, it can be something as simple as the starter or the battery not having enough cold cranking amp, or something as complicated as the anti-tester. So I would just recommend to bring it in so we can check it out.